What if I told you there's a way to make money online using nothing but a free ChatGPT account and Google Drive? And before you roll your eyes thinking, oh, this is just another make money online scheme, let me show you something that will change your mind completely. I'm talking about a method so simple that once you see it, you'll wonder why you haven't been doing this all along. And no, you don't need any advertising, no social media following required, and no crazy marketing skills required. Just you, AI, and a simple strategy. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oh, another guru promising easy money. But here's one thing. I've been selling on Etsy for years, and I've built multiple six-figure stores, and I've coached over thousands of students. And what I'm about to share isn't theory, it's a method I've actually tested, refined, and seen at work for complete beginners. And the best part is, most people have no idea this opportunity even exists. See, everyone's talking about selling digital products, but they're missing the biggest opportunity right under their nose. So while they're busy creating digital planners or complicated templates, there's a massive market desperately buying something much simpler, something you can actually create in just a few hours, not months. And I stumbled across this when I was doing research for some new opportunities for folks inside our community. And I kept on seeing these sellers making thousands of dollars, selling something that looked so basic. And when I dug deeper, I realized they tapped into something that most sellers never figure out. They weren't selling what you'd expect. They weren't even creating original content. They were using AI to solve a problem. Here's what I discovered. There's an entire industry of people who need design elements, lots of them, thousands of them, but they don't have the time, skill, or money to hire a designer. Enter design bundles. These sellers create design ideas and package hundreds of design into digital bundles. Then they're selling these bundles on Etsy for $5, $20, or even $100. Let me show you exactly what I mean. So this store here, they're selling entire design bundles with thousands of files. Look at this listing, whole shop bundle. They're packaging their entire collection and selling it as one massive download. And they've already done more than $100,000 in revenue in their store. And here's another one, 50 sarcastic bundle. They're targeting specific niches and creating bundles around themes that people actually search for their print-on-demand business, for instance. And this one, 14,000 mega bundle. So 14,000 designs in one purchase. And don't worry, you don't need to manually create 14,000 designs. Absolutely not. This is where AI comes into play. So follow along as I show you how to create listings that can generate thousands of sales. You will learn how to start your Etsy digital download business with strategic AI-powered digital products. All right, so here's where most people go wrong right from the start. They sit there staring at their blank screen, trying to come up with design ideas, or worse, they just copy what everyone else is doing. But I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT as your personal market research assistant. First, open up ChatGPT. The free version works just fine. And now, instead of asking for random design ideas, we're going to be very strategic about this. Here's the exact prompt you're going to be using. I need 20 design concepts for a niche that would work well for commercial use. Focus on design that small business owners, crafters, and print-on-demand sellers would actually buy. Make each concept specific enough so it can be described to an AI image generator. But here's the key. You need to know which niches are in demand. And after analyzing thousands of successful Etsy listings, I found the sweet spots, which I usually share with folks inside our paid community, but I'm going to share them with you today for free inside this video. So here are a few hot selling niches. First is motivational and inspirational quote t-shirts, faith-based and spiritual design, sarcastic and funny saying, holiday and seasonal design, and small business graphics. Let me show you this in action. All right, so now I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to create for me 20 designs concept for coffee lovers and something that would work well with commercial use focus. And right now it's coming up with different ideas like espresso yourself, minimalistic coffee icon set, caffeine molecule diagram, funny skeleton with coffee mug, which I've seen that a few times on Etsy, boho coffee vibes. So notice how all these ideas are not just random ideas, they're concepts that people will want to buy on Etsy. So now I'm actually going to take it a step further. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to take 10 variation of each of these concepts, like give me an additional 10 variation of each of these concepts, changing the design slightly, but keeping the same vibe. And the reason I want to do this is because I want to have at least 50 different product options, not just one. And that's the beauty of ChatGPT, because in just 2 minutes, what would take hours of brainstorming took just 2 minutes. And it's giving me ideas that I would never thought of on my own. So now we're going to actually turn these prompts into actual designs. And we're going to be using Leonardo AI, which actually brings us to our next step, design creation. Now, here's where the magic happens. You got your ChatGPT ideas, but most people make this critical mistake here. They just copy and paste the concept directly into the AI image generator, and then they wonder why their design look basic or amateurish. Let me show you the right way to do this. First, head over to Leonardo.ai. It's free to start and gives you about 150 credits per day, and the number of designs that you can generate depends on settings you choose for each design. But with standard settings, you can create actual multiple designs each day. And you can also create multiple accounts if needed, so you can create even more designs for free. Now, here's the secret sauce that separates successful sellers from everyone else. You need to transform those ChatGPT concepts into proper AI image generator prompts. And here's something crucial. We're not going to ask AI to generate text or words in our designs, because AI, actually, they do a terrible job at spelling and text generation. So instead, we're going to focus on graphics and illustrations that people can add their own text to later. That's my recommendation. If you want to add text, I recommend that you add that layer later on Canva. Now, let's take one of our example, which is the coffee with a skeleton. So a cartoon skeleton holding a giant coffee mug. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Leonardo. We're gonna add our prompt right here, cartoon skeleton holding a giant coffee mug, and we're gonna generate it. And here are all the different images that it generated for us. Another prompt that I used earlier, which is the one right here, was minimalistic coffee cup illustration with stream rising, clean line art style, black and white commercial use design, no background, vector style, simple icon design, no text or words. So the idea here is that you're creating multiple design ideas based on the prompts that ChatGPT provided you. And then you're gonna go ahead and download those images, but you're gonna make sure as well that you are not having AI create text, right? You are going to have Leonardo.ai create image elements that you can then use. So make sure there's no text or words. And really see the difference. You're creating visual elements like the coffee mug, right? Or you're creating this like fun cartoon right here. You can also give it a different prompt so it creates it differently. So cartoon skeleton, pencil type, black and white with transparent background. And let's see what it generates for us. So based on the prompts you give it, you're going to be able to create different kinds of design, which is the beauty of leveraging AI. You're able to do this in just a few minutes. And notice the difference here. So this is a very different style than what we did earlier. So simply by using AI, we're able to create all these different variations rather quickly. But wait, here's another hack for you because I'm feeling very generous today. Leonardo generates about 4 variations at once, but you don't want to stop there. You can take the exact same prompt and run it 3 to 4 times to get 12 to 16 different versions of the same idea. Why? Because when somebody buys your graphic bundle, they want 20 different styles. So after each creation, save the ones you like and then modify the prompt slightly. Maybe change it to minimalistic, detail, line art, solid shape. This gives you even more variety from the same core concept. So the key is to batch process. So while everybody else is creating one design at a time, you're generating 16 different variations of the same concept, and then you're moving to the next ChatGPT idea and doing it all over again. And I know what you're thinking, oh my God, it sounds tiring, but you know, this is just a one-time job. And after this, you can literally sit on your couch watching a movie while your bundle is printing money for you. And to be honest, it will take you anywhere between 2 to 4 hours max to generate 200 plus professional graphics ready to package. Now let's move to the next step where I will show you how to actually sell these. Here's where most sellers mess up completely. They try to upload a massive zip file to Etsy and then they wonder why their customers can't download them or why Etsy keeps rejecting their listing. Well, the solution is super simple. Google Drive or Dropbox. So just create a new Google Drive folder, call it Design Bundle, whatever your theme is, and drag all your images and design into the specific folder. Make sure that they're organized, maybe have subfolders like coffee graphics, holiday icons, decorative frames, whatever you're selling. Then you're gonna right-click your folder, hit share, and then you're gonna change the permission from restricted to anyone with link. Then you're gonna copy that link, and this right here is your golden ticket. Now you're gonna open Canva or Google Docs. You're gonna create a simple document which says, for instance, thank you for your purchase. Click here for access to your design bundle. And then you're gonna hyperlink your Google Drive link, like this example right here. So then you're gonna download your document as a PDF and then upload it on Etsy as your digital download. So when someone buys, Etsy automatically sends this PDF, and then they click on the link and boom, they have instant access to all of their designs that they've purchased, right? But you're probably wondering, okay, fine, how will I get sales now? Now, here's where my years of Etsy experience really matter, because having the best design elements is just the first step. But it will mean absolutely nothing if nobody can find your listings. And most sellers throw a listing together and then pray, but I'm going to show you the exact system that's made me 7 figures across multiple Etsy stores. Okay, here's the deal. Before I spill the tea, you need to nail these 2 things or you won't get any traffic. Thing number 1, write titles that actually make sense. Stop overcomplicating it. So if your title is confusing or vague, your customers are gonna be gone. Tell them exactly what it is you're selling, who needs it, and why they should care. Think of it like introducing yourself at a party. Be clear, be interesting. Don't make people guess. Then thing number 2 is have easy to understand mockups. Nobody's buying your trust me, it's amazing energy, right? They want to understand what it is as you're selling and not have to scratch their head to get it, because bad mockups equal people will scroll past your listing and good mockups means take my money. Really, it's that simple. So get this right and you're already ahead of 90% of Etsy sellers who think they need Etsy ads to help them fix an average listing. Spoiler alert, Etsy ads are not gonna help you get more sales if your listing doesn't have, well, understanding demand, doesn't have a good mockup, and the title is confusing. You need to make sure it's clear as possible and it stops the feed on Etsy. That's what's gonna help you get more sales. Now, let me share my secret title formula that actually works. Don't just write coffee graphics bundle, for instance, right? That's just too generic. Instead, add keywords people are searching for. For example, what is the file type? SVG or PNG? Commercial use, which is great for business owners. 50 designs because quantity sells. Small business graphics because that's the target audience. Instant download, which is the delivery method. So Etsy gives you 13 tags. You need to use every single one of them, but not randomly. So here's my strategy. 3 tags for file type, so SVG bundle, PNG graphics. 4 tags for use cases, so commercial use, small business, craft supply, logo, elements, whatever. 3 tags for your niche, so coffee graphics or holiday designs or quote frames. And 3 tags for your audience, so print on demand, crafter, etc. This makes it easier for your listing to be found, but this will not work if people do not click on it. And that is why your first mock-up image is actually everything. And then comes your SEO and title. Now create a collage showcasing 9 to 16 of your best design in a grid. Make it professional so it's really easy for your customer to understand what it is you're selling, right? Because it's not about being artistic, it's about showing the value of your listing at first glance. Then the second image, you can actually show the designs in action, mock them up as needed, like the example from earlier. People need to visualize your graphics. They need to know what it's gonna look like. And once you're done with SEO and your thumbnail and all is clear, let's talk price. So here's what usually works. But also remember, this all depends on the perceived value of your listing. So if you have anywhere between 50 to 100 designs, you can price your item $5 to $10. 100 to 300 designs, you can price it 10 to 20, and you have 500 designs, anywhere between 20 to 100. I don't recommend that you go cheap because people associate low prices with low quality. Make sure you stay profitable. Obviously, look at where your competition is doing. And if you want to increase your price, it's all about having better mock-ups, right? Having a higher perceived value. So I am not one to encourage you to have lower prices, because when you have lower prices and you see listings that are just $1 or $2, usually what they're doing is that they're leveraging this listing to start generating leads to get emails. And so at the end of the day, you want to make sure that you are as profitable as possible. And part of that is by having a product that people feel like, oh, this is worth the value, right? And you do that through your mockups and also showcasing your design as best as you can. After building multiple six-figure Etsy stores, I've learned that success is not about having the most creative listings. It's about solving problems that people are already paying to get solved. So the key to getting sales isn't hoping someone discover your listings. It's about understanding what people are actively searching for and being there when they actually search for it. So for design bundles, people search for terms like SVG bundle, PNG designs, commercial use graphic. They're not browsing for inspiration, they're shopping with a specific intent. So don't just post and hope. You need to create 3 to 5 bundles in related niches at once to help your chances of getting discovered on Etsy, right? Etsy's algorithm loves active shops, and it's like fishing. The more fishing rods you have in the ocean, the more chances you will have in catching that fish. So same goes with Etsy. The more variations you have, the more your listing will get discovered and the more chances you have of getting sales and finding your bestseller. Once you have your first bundle selling, you can create themed collections like Halloween designs, Christmas bundles, motivational quotes, business logo, each targeting different buyer segments. The same AI tools, the same Google Drive method. But now you're essentially building a catalog of products that work together. So this isn't just about making a few extra dollars. This is about understanding how AI is changing the digital product landscapes. So the opportunity window is wide open right now, but it's not gonna stay that way forever. So it's important to take action now. So look, I could keep talking about this for hours, but the best way to understand this opportunity is to actually see it in action. That's why I created a breakdown of how I set up these AI-powered Etsy stores. And if you want to see the complete behind-the-scenes process, the exact prompts I use, the AI tools that work best, and how to optimize your listings for maximum sales, check out my free workshop. You'll actually see the link in the description. But don't wait on this, because every day you wait is another day someone else is building their AI design empire while you're still sitting there thinking about it. And the tools are affordable, the method is proven, and the market is actually hungry for what you can create. Your only question should be, when are you going to start? Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.